So what is the Ledger Nano S? It's a hardware wallet, a device that gives you an additional level of security when managing cryptocurrency wallets. You would normally use your private keys to move funds from one address to another, but if your computer is infected or compromised, someone can intercept your keys and steal everything you have. Using a hardware wallet means the private keys are stored on the device itself and only accessible to you, so it makes it one of the more safer options out there. Bear in mind that the safest option is still just using a paper wallet. Some of you guys may prefer to store your cryptocurrency with an exchange, but exchanges tend to charge higher fees when you move funds around and they're potentially susceptible to hacking. Look at Mt. Gox for a famous example. Anyways, let's unbox this. The box itself is nicely shrink wrapped. I purchased this for £50 from Amazon, but the price does fluctuate a fair bit. As of creating this video, it's going for 90 quid. As with most things, there's an instruction manual, definitely worth a read, but you won't have to because I'll show you how to set it up in this video. You've got some more instruction sheets, more importantly the recovery sheet, which you'll have to use to write down the 24 recovery phrases. You basically use this in the event something goes wrong with the device. Losing it would be like losing your Ledger Nano S, as it can be used to recover and make a new device. Here's the actual device itself. It feels fairly good. It has a metal casing which flips out to reveal the LCD screen. You won't be able to directly plug the device into the computer. What you'll have to use is the micro USB cable supplied. There's a keyring if you want to carry the device with you, and what looks to be a lanyard. Now that the device is unboxed, I'll show you how to set it up. Start by plugging in the USB cable to the computer, then connect the micro USB connector to the device. You'll now be greeted with a welcome screen. In order to navigate the options on the screen, use the right and left buttons on the device. Pressing them both together confirms the selection. Now, as we are setting up a new device, press both buttons to confirm that. It will ask you to choose a PIN. Now don't forget this PIN, as you'll use this every time you log into the device. For demo purposes, I'll just set it up as 5555. You'll have to confirm the PIN one more time. We will now be given our recovery phrases. It's very important that you write these down onto the recovery sheet. Make sure you write these down. Don't save a picture of it or write it down on a computer, as that would be like having a hot wallet. Write it down physically with a pen and then lock that recovery sheet up somewhere really safe. Words will show up one at a time. Just click the right button to see the next word. This part does feel like a very long process. The order of the words are very important too. And make sure you're able to read your own handwriting. After you have done this, your device will ask you to verify a couple of these different phrases. Now on to setting this up on Windows. So first thing you need to do is go to the ledgerwallet.com address, you'll find it in the description. Then go to apps, scroll all the way down and install Ledger Manager first. So again, you'll have to scroll all the way down and click the install button. Once you're here, just add to Chrome and add app. And once you've done that, just close everything. Go back and now install the Ledger Wallet Ethereum. Click install. Add to Chrome again. Add app. And that's all there. Let's close all the tabs again. So I'm going to go into Ledger Manager here. The device is already connected. Now you can see there's quite a few different cryptocurrencies here. For this demonstration, I'll be showing how to set up an Ethereum wallet, so I'm going to install that. This doesn't take very long, less than a minute. That's done, so we can close that. I'm going to go back into the apps, open the wallet itself. So this is where you have to select the Ethereum app on the device itself. Now you just have to choose which ETC you want, so we're going to go for Ethereum, not the classic version. Now here you can see the balance and any last transactions. If you want to send Ether, you can use this part, just put the address in and click send, and here is what you'd use to receive any Ethereum. So you've got your address there. You can use that QR code to receive as well. In conclusion, hardware wallets have completely changed the game. Using this device means I no longer have to worry about my cryptocurrency being stolen. Unlike your traditional wallet you use for cash, if this device is stolen, they won't be able to get your funds because they won't know your PIN or seed key, which means it's very secure. The fact that you can only store 5 apps at any one time and must swap apps to access other coins for trading is quite an inconvenience. However, deleting an app doesn't mean you lose the coins entirely. You can install and uninstall apps as many times as you want. You will not lose any coins in the process. Writing down the passphrases is also tedious and long, but you only need to do this once. The apps provided by Ledger have a very nice minimal design. This makes using them a pleasing experience. The UI is well thought out, so there shouldn't be any problems using it. All in all, I recommend this device as it's most importantly secure, affordable, supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and multiple different cryptocurrencies you probably haven't even heard of. This has been Raju from Tectonic. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please like and subscribe, that would really help me out. Thanks for watching and see you guys later.